This is why you need to understand in supplication. It's all about making heartfelt requests. In supplication means making a humble and earnest request or prayer. Imagine this. You're on your knees asking someone for a huge favor. That's like being in supplication. Or think about a child closing their eyes and making a wish while blowing out birthday candles. They're making a sincere request, just like someone in supplication. Now, picture someone in a church, hands together, head bowed, asking for guidance or help. This posture shows deep respect and a heartfelt plea. That's being in supplication. So, whenever you hear in supplication, picture these scenes. It's all about asking earnestly and humbly, often with a lot of respect. Next time you make a deep, sincere request, remember, you're in supplication. Keep learning and keep growing your English skills. See you next time.